Today was a very bad news day because the Supreme Court ruled against the attorney generals who brought a lawsuit demanding that the government end the censorship of social media. The lawsuit said that the government and the various agencies, the FBI, the CDC, and all of them, were attempting to suppress free speech by telling social media companies what to say about issues like the pandemic, vaccines, and even whether or not the election was rigged. Today's Lunch Alert is sponsored by the Patriot Gold Group. Kim Jong-un and Vladimir Putin have signed a mutual defense pact, and Putin has not ruled out providing the North Korean dictator with more nuclear weapons. The lawsuit says that this was way beyond the purview of the agencies of the government, and that it's dangerous for them to tell people what to say and what to think and what to read. Unfortunately, 6 judges of the 9 didn't see it that way, and the Supreme Court upheld the government conduct. Most alarmingly, the opinion was written by Amy Coney Barrett, one of the judges appointed by President Trump, and represents really a betrayal of all of the values that underscored her appointment. Now, this is one of the great tragedies of the court. And it's horrible that the government is basically saying it's fine for the government to tell social media platforms what to print, what to write, what to think, and what to broadcast. The illusion that these social media companies are basically private operations and don't represent government coercion or policy is ridiculous. By a combination of their subsidies, their financial power, and their legal weight, they are instrumental in determining what is said to us and what we think and what we hear. And when it's biased by the government, when the government is saying things like this vaccine is safe when others are saying not, or the government is saying things like this election was honest and others are saying it's not, it is just terrible that the court has basically permitted the government to outshout and outweigh private internet services. And even if it doesn't outweigh them and outshout them, it certainly has more clout and power. This is a tragic decision. I feel terrible that one of Trump's appointees colluded in it. Thanks for watching. Today's Lunch Alert is sponsored by the Patriot Gold Group. Kim Jong-un and Vladimir Putin have signed a mutual defense pact, and Putin has not ruled out providing the North Korean dictator with more nuclear weapons. Saudi Arabia announced it's no longer going to use the US dollar as the currency for oil transactions, but would use the local currency or gold. Russia has replaced the dollar with the yuan for its currency transactions. The rest of the world sees how vulnerable we are under this administration. I hope you realize that as well, and don't make your savings vulnerable. Call the Patriot Gold Group. The Patriot Gold Group offers no fee for life IRAs to viewers of these videos. The IRA minimums are $25,000 and $100,000 for the no fee for life IRA. So call the Patriot Gold Group and ask for the no fee for life IRA.